Hello, here I am again, this time to show you the difficulty I had in painting a black dog. Showing its contours, the highlights, the shadows, I found frustrating, and I started this portrait a number of times before I finally found something that I was completely satisfied with. Without those, it would just be a flat black face with a couple of eyes and a nose peering out at you. So here we go. Have a look at what I did and see if you approve. Bye for now. Well, it didn't turn out too badly, did it? The nose was the part that gave me the grief. The nose was just sort of sticking out like a false nose on the face. I'm happy with it now. There was quite a few moments when I was not so happy with it and almost gave up altogether. But I have never given into that. I have never completely given up. Even if I spend days on it, I will keep going until it's finished. Some of the things I used on my process, I turned down the opacity so that I could see the sketching underneath. I used noise to give it that little bit of texture. I change the colours a bit, sort of made them deeper or use a contrast in the adjustment section. So I tried a few things, but the nose was really the hard bit, and I ended up completely redoing the nose, and I think it was worthwhile having done that. So let me know in the comments what you think about black dogs, cats. Have you ever tried it, and have you found an easier way of showing the form of their face, the contours, the depth of just something that, so that it's not looking quite so flat. Anyway, I thought it was fun to show you that even someone who's been painting for about 20 years can still have these problems which seem insurmountable at the time, but just keep plodding through and we get there. So thank you so much for watching.